Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the HMS Queen Victoria! I am currently squirreled away in a safe location, yes. But you can use this painting to imagine my handsome visage as I keep you safe from afar. Yes, far afar. Yes, regardless, though, of where I am, we need to get back to my island in the channel. But there are some problems. The ship is not in great shape, and I'm pretty sure some Zeds are already on board. But with your help, we should nip it all in the bud. Ready, lads and lasses? Then let's carry on!
Reload! Reload! I go from strength to strength! Our enemies fall! Ah! No! Yes! Ah!
Well played! Heart is open! Time for commerce! On there. Like I said, we have some maintenance issues. I've been powering up the ship's systems, but some bits and bobs have blown out in the process. I'll call them out, and you fix them with your, welder. Sizzle, sizzle. Chop, chop, my boy! Chop dino birds and infracells are dropping the output to the mega thrusters! You know what that means? Get on it, lads!
I see a weapon here!
More Zeds on the way! Go show them how we treat turnstile jumpers!
You feel us now! Vengeance! I can't see her yet! One piece at a time! She's... Ooh, such sustenance! It's... Bullseye! A strike! blessed relief. My aim is true! Calm death!
No time for a bevy! Sure, get to the pond! A survivor is what you are. Did you learn?